Good evening to all our viewers. We are here to present how to do a very simple yet mouth-watering Greek pasta salad that will satisfy your cravings.
But before that, let me introduce to you myself first. I'm Janine, and this is my co-host, Miss Flora Lynn de los Reyes and Michelle Mendoza. And we are the
Tatlong Kusinera sa Kusina. We are a charm student from the one of the prestigious school here in Bulacan, which is DYCI and Dr. Yamas Colleges Incorporation. Located in Wakas, Bukawi, Bulacan. We are under the supervision of our beloved professor, his name Carmelita Camino, and we are gladly to present to you how to make a quick but delicious Greek pasta salad with cheese sprinkled on top. So let's start. For ingredients, we have album macaroni salad, mayonnaise as dressing, cheddar cheese, cucumber, tomatoes, corned beef, salt and pepper to taste. And also, we will use potato crisps for our decorative purposes. After introducing our ingredients, we now proceed in our procedure. First, you will cut the vegetables according to their desired size. Make sure that they are bite-sized. After cutting, we will mix all the ingredients into the mixing bowl. First, we will put the vegetables Next is the elbow macaroni. For its dressing, we will put the mayo. Then, we will mix it. Toss it thoroughly. For our meat, we will use corned beef to taste. Mix it very well. Then after that, you will sprinkle some cheese on the top of it. We will put salt and pepper for the seasoning, for the enhancing of the flavor of the salad. Diba? For the serving suggestions, we put crispy potatoes. Also for its appetizer.
yung ano ba?
Pasta salad makes great picnic food, and its great pasta salad recipe is no exception. You can make it up to 2 days in advance, and it goes with everything from fried chicken to turkey burgers. Foremost due thanks to our God for helping us in our project Also, we would like to extend our thanks to those people who helped us for making this project as a reality. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.